thanks to Anita, we are managing to look okay today. I'm very proud actually because being awarded by Vogue is no small feat, really. I think you can only be on the cover or be in the magazine or be awarded by them when it really means something. So when I heard about it the first time, I was very excited. Abhi face se shuru kiya, now the rest of the body parts have to follow.
I'm wearing a Monisha Jaising. When it's just an ordinary beauty award, it would be very easy, but because it's the Vogue Beauty Awards, the onus lies on your shoulder to actually make the right choice. So it wasn't hard. I actually had quite a whale of a time going through all the beauty products because I'm quite a beauty product junkie, and I had fun and made the best people win.
It's unique, that's the first. It took them so long to figure that out. But it's great. I think they're celebrating beauty, which is great. And I think it talks about a lot of aspects and not just visually how you look. For me, it's inner beauty, how people are. Good people are beautiful for me. So let's see, it's a great night, it's a great initiative, and I'm excited to be here.
I'm wearing a beautiful outfit by a designer called Human, and the neck piece is by Outhouse. Well, the Vogue Beauty Awards, I'm definitely looking forward to a fun night, lots of beautiful women dressed in beautiful clothes, and of course the best brands and the most beautiful women taking the awards back to them. I've got a very exciting film coming out on the 19th of September. It's called Ikkis Topo Ki Salami, and I look forward to it. I'm wearing a DVF dress, and my mom got me this bag, so that's it. Like after a certain age, beauty is as much about your spirit as it is about your bone structure. So if you're a good person, then it shows on your face. After 35, whatever you are, you get the face you deserve. So be a good person, you might look slightly better as you age. I am wearing, let me think, hold on. Yes, it's an outfit by Sheila. Well, I hope this year will be better than last year, and I had a great time last year, and so let's see what we have in store. मेरे हिसाब से खूबसूरती कुछ भी हो सकती है. एक औरत को एक अच्छी स्माइल खूबसूरती है, एक अच्छा दिल खूबसूरती है, अच्छी आंखें खूबसूरती है. मुझे लगता है कि आपका जो अंदर का जो चेहरा होता है वो जब बाहर आता है तो वो खूबसूरती होती है. I am wearing Namrata Joshipura today. Namrata Joshipura today. Yeah. Want to be an award? Vogue, Harek, I think Vogue is a very stylish magazine और international platform है एक. तो अगर आप इंडिया से है, जैसे जब मेरे क्लासमेट्स ने न्यूयॉर्क में, उनको पता है कि एक्ट्रेस है ये वो, लेकिन जब उन्होंने मेरा वोग कवर देखा तो काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हो गए, क्योंकि वोग एक इंटरनेशनल नेम है, एक ब्रांड है. तो इससे एसोसिएट होना अपने आप में एक बहुत अच्छी, बहुत ही privileged, prestigious baat hai.
Well, this is my second year. The first year, I remember, I was really bummed because I had been nominated for in my first year. I think as a fresh face or something, and I wasn't in town. I was shooting London, Paris, New York at that time. So I was really upset. And then the last 2 years I've attended, and I think it's a fantastic award, and Vogue is one of the best fashion magazines, especially in our country. And when Vogue says something is good, then I think it has a stamp of approval and everybody believes it. So I think it's absolutely fantastic. अभी गुड्डू रंगीला मैंने ख़त्म की है, तो सुभाष कपूर की अगली फिल्म है, और जॉली LLB के बाद I think everybody is looking forward to his next film. So I'm very excited to be a part of that. And I'm starting another very exciting project in September.
It's officially my first award, so that feels great. And I have been reading Vogue as a model, so it feels great to win an award by such a great fashion magazine. And yeah, that's my first award.
It's amazing. I think no one better than Vogue to do these beauty awards, honestly. खूबसूरती की परिभाषा ये है कि I think आप अगर खुद में विश्वास रखती हैं, I think confidence सबसे important है. खूबसूरत दिखने के लिए. And I think everyone is beautiful. If you just what kind of beauty tips? I think whenever you leave the house, just leave with a beautiful smile. I think if your smile reaches your eyes, it just makes you look beautiful.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.